Hey, my friend Daniel here. Welcome to the channel. If you're watching this video, chances are you are looking for ways to make money online or make money from home. And if you watch this video all the way through, I'm going to show you 3 steps to automated income. This is a proven and documented system that I've literally been using for years and helped show this to thousands of people and help them make a full-time income right from that device that you're watching on. So why should you pay any attention to me, or why should you pay attention to my channel here and what I do? Well, over the last several years, I have made hundreds of thousands of dollars online. As a matter of fact, I have bought a brand new house down here in Myrtle Beach. And if you look at that photo, you see those 2 windows on the left-hand side. That is literally the home office that I am sitting in right now as I record this video. And the business that I'm about to share with you, the system that you are about to get your hands on, is the same exact system that is responsible for those hundreds of thousands of dollars and buying me and my wife a brand new home. And it can do the same for you. Now, big fat income disclaimer, my friend, results not typical, but guess what? Don't be typical. Don't be like everybody else. Plug into a proven and documented system that actually works. And yes, you can get results. And if you decide to partner with me and my team, this is exactly what you're going to get. And I'm going to give you all of this for free. So pay close attention and understand what you're about to get your hands on. I'm going to give you a done for you marketing system. That's right. You don't have to go building funnels or creating videos or any of those things, worrying about integrations or all that. I'm going to give you a done for you system. It's all of your training, your marketing, and everything you need all in one place. So we've built out the sales funnels for you. We do the email marketing for you. We even train your members, meaning when you get a sale and you have someone start, we're going to train them for you so you don't have to. And we're even going to plug you into our sales rotator. And depending on the level that you join at, which I'll go over those here in a few, you can get between 1, 5, or even 10 spots in our sales rotator, because we're going to help share your link for you and make your job even easier. Add all that up, my friend, and it's over $15,000 in free value just for getting started with me. Because trust me, my friend, systems cost money. Video hosting costs money. Sales funnels and page builders and email marketing, autoresponders, they all cost money, and we're going to give it to you at 0 cost. What I'm also going to do for you is give you a free customizable training app that has all of your funnels and everything you need in one spot. So yes, you can literally run a business from an app on your phone. It even has real-time lead integration, which means for you that when someone goes to your funnel and you're sharing your affiliate link, you're going to know in real time when someone's on your funnel. And that's how our system is helping people close even more sales. So yes, you're hearing it right. We're literally going to give you, if you stick around all the way till the end and you do get started, we're going to give you everything that you need to get out there and go find success today. Okay. We're going to give you the training, the funnels, the custom app. We're going to give you the content and the marketing and show you exactly how, when, and where to go use it. We're going to email all of your leads for you. And all in all, we're giving you a done for you business in an app. And all you simply have to do is watch, learn, and do. Just like you are following along with a new recipe in the kitchen, you are learning how to cook something new for your family. You go grab the ingredients, you go watch a video, you cook the stuff, you feed it to your family. It's as simple as that. So if you feel you can do that and you want to get your hands on this, comment below right now. Watch, learn, do. So here is our simple 3-step plan to work with you. Number 1, our goal is to get you into positive profit as fast as possible. And you're going to be able to do that with literally just 2 sales. We want to get you moving and up and off the ground and get you sharing your link and get your affiliate links out there so you could be generating leads and sales in your first 24 hours. Step number 2, our goal is to help you get up to at least $100,000 per year, which is walk away income, which will hopefully allow you to walk away from your job and work from home full time, just like myself and many, many other people on our team are doing. Number 3, we don't want to just give you a system so you can run out there and make a few bucks. We want to give you these skill sets, the skill sets that you're going to build for a lifetime. So you could literally market this, or you could market anything you want and get out there and go finally achieve the goals and dreams that you have. So what are these 3 steps to automated income? What does it look like and how does it work? I'm going to walk you through that right now. And you might be looking at your screen and thinking, wait a minute, Daniel, it's not that simple. But yes, it actually is. You literally get your affiliate link, you share it, and you earn commissions. Anyone that tells you anything different is probably just trying to sell you an ebook, a course, upsell you into a coaching program, or showing you all this overcomplicated stuff that you don't need to do, because earning commissions online, my friend, is 3 simple steps, and you're seeing it right on your screen right now. This is even what it looks like, and we're going to walk you through this process and help you do this. You go get an affiliate link, you create a basic piece of content, you share it out to social media, and it's as simple as that. Someone goes to your link, they go through your sales funnel, they watch a presentation, they buy, you make money, my friend. So that is what we're going to give you and show you exactly how to do. Now, the alternative is you could go out there and you could go shopping for affiliate programs all on your own. You could go to places like JVZoo and ClickBank and Warrior Plus and sift through hundreds of thousands of different offers out there, or you can plug into my proven and documented system that I have been using for years and helping thousands of people for years. And it's everything all in an app, all on your phone, ready for you to use. And all you have to do is follow those 3 steps. Go grab your link, share your link, earn commissions. This is what it's going to look like when you get started and dive into our free system. You're literally going to follow the blueprint, just like you would following a new recipe. You're going to watch a video that says, start here, watch this first. You really can't mess that up. Then you're going to go download our app. This is the app that you're going to run your entire business from. The literal app that I just showed you that has your affiliate links, your funnels, your training, and everything you need, just like you're seeing right here on the desktop version, okay? We have an app and we also have a desktop version. So once you go get our app, the next thing you're going to do is you're going to start taking action. This could not be any more simple. Once you get into the taking action section, you're literally going to get your affiliate links, and we're going to have step-by-step video training that's going to walk you through this entire process, and you'll realize how simple this actually is. Once you get your affiliate link, and we're going to show you an easy, simple way how to set all this up, you're going to go and take action. What does that mean for you? You're going to start sharing your link, and it literally looks just like this. You watch that taking action video, you click the button below the video, the one that says fast start folder. Once you do, you're going to open up a couple of folders. You're going to see different forms and pieces of content that you could use. We even have what's called grab and go content. It's videos that you don't even have to edit. These are viral videos that get thousands and thousands and thousands of views, and you can simply grab those videos, upload it to your phone, and share it out to social media. And yes, it's literally that simple. And all of our training videos, we're going to walk you through step by step, click by click, how to do that exact process. So sharing your link is really incredibly simple. So you might be asking yourself, okay, Daniel, I get it. It seems really simple. I get my link, I share my link, I earn commissions, but can this work for you? Can this work for anybody? Well, here's several people that have sent us video testimonials, and you can just hear from them in a minute exactly what they got when they started sharing their link using our system. As an example, top left, Catherine, $1,500 in her first 7 days. Brogan, able to walk away from his full-time roofing job and now does this full-time. Kylie, right in the middle at the top, she is a massage therapist. She averages about 5 to 10 sales a day using our system, okay? Anybody can do this. But hey, don't just take my word for it. Let's hear directly from some of the students that I have worked with.
Hey, Catherine here from San Antonio, Texas. And in the last 7 days, I've been able to generate over $1,500. Not only does it make me a 5-figure monthly income, but it allows me to be a stay-at-home mom with my 3-year-old daughter, which is what I always dreamed of.
What's going on, my friend? I'm Terry and Hawkins here. But listen, this system has been absolutely amazing. I've been able to earn over $1,300 within my first 7 days.
Hey guys, Callie here from Louisiana. I was able to generate 30 sales within my first 2 weeks because of the proper training and the proper guidance that I received.
Brogan here from Colorado Springs, Colorado. I've been able to officially quit my 9 to 5. I've been able to generate some incredible income because of this business. And the best thing is, you can do this anywhere. This is the best form of residual income I found, and you can find it too.
This is Lance. I'm out in Springfield, Virginia, and I've been using this awesome system and funnel that has already created 5 sales just within 2 weeks, and that is amazing.
Hey, Kirsty here. I'm a mom of 3 kids. To be able to generate $3,200 my first 10 days, I could not be more thrilled about what this opportunity has.
Brandon Hall here from Virginia. The app makes it so simple to generate leads, turning into weekly commissions.
My name is Abby Pruitt from Hamburg, Arkansas. I was trying so hard to find a way to help my family get some debt relief, and I have done just that. If you are looking for a team that actually has you and your success in mind, then it's the place to be.
Hi, I'm Ashley from Cincinnati, Ohio. I have tried to step into the passive income world multiple times, and I failed because I did not have the proper guidance and support. But since joining them, I was plugged into a community that guides you and leads you, real people, real time, that actually respond to you. And with doing so, I was able to generate almost 30 sales in 7 days.
So there you go, my friend. Real people getting real results using this system. Here inside of our Facebook group, which we're going to plug you into, these are screenshots from anyone that has made 10 or more sales using our system. And we have hundreds of these. I can't even fit them all on one slide. This is just a very small handful, but plain and simple, these are average everyday people that have gone through our system. Some of them even tried and failed for years and then finally plugged into our system and are now getting incredible results once they realize how simple those 3 steps actually are. Check out some of this feedback here. I'm not going to read all of them. If you want, pause the video and read every single one. Check out Terry in the top left. Yes, have to agree, best system and training I've seen in all my years with many other programs. A major plus I can tell others when thinking of joining us that they will get the ultimate in training and support. You gotta just love it. So now let's talk about how you get paid sharing your link. Well, it's simple. When someone goes to your affiliate link and they want to join and they want to give you money, you're going to earn either $15, $35, or $70 instant commissions the day that you get a sale. Plus, you can also get weekly overrides as your team starts to grow, which means when you get a sale and they go to work and they want to start sharing their link just like you can get weekly overrides between $1 and $13 per person on your team. And guess what? Those can pay all the way down through infinity, which means it never ends, which means your income is literally wide open. You can make as much or as little as you want. And when you get paid every single week, you can simply hook up your bank account and have it sent direct deposit right to your bank. So there are 3 ways to join, and I'm going to explain that in just a minute. You could either come in at $20, you could come in at $40, or you could come in at $100. And these are the products and services that are available to you in addition to everything I just shared with you, the done-for-you system, the app, the training, the funnels, the email marketing, everything you need right from an app on your phone. You are also going to get, in addition to all that, an actual real digital membership that provides you with real services to help you increase your finances. We're going to show you, if you're working a job right now, how you can literally increase your paycheck by 10 to 15%. We're going to help you fix your credit. We're going to help you eliminate debt. And we're going to teach you the right investment strategies so your money can work for you. And if you come in at the highest level, we're also going to give you access to a special travel membership, which is going to give you 110% price match guarantee to ensure that anytime you travel, you are guaranteed to save money over any other travel engine out there. And you can even earn points that you could redeem for free travel. You're also going to get access to something called ID Defender, which is going to protect your identity, just like LifeLock, and ensure you never get scammed and you never get your personal information stolen. So plain and simple, when you combine the front end system, which is your funnel team marketing system, which is the system that I have built that I'm giving to you for free, the training, the funnels, the email marketing, the app, everything you need to literally share your link. If you were to do all of that on your own, it would cost you thousands of dollars and hundreds of hours to put all that stuff together and figure it out all on your own. And I've built it all out for you. And we've hooked up a digital membership on the back end so you don't have to sift through hundreds of thousands of affiliate links that are out there on the web. We have provided you with the best one that pays the most, and it's so easy to join. We're literally giving you everything you need: the training, the funnels, the custom app, the content, the marketing. We follow up with every single one of your leads for you and do the email marketing for you. You have a done for you business in an app, my friend, and all you have to do is watch, learn, and do. And it could not be any easier to get started. All you have to do right now, if you want to activate your business, get everything I gave you, literally all of that front end system for free, which means you don't have to buy page builders. You don't have to pay for anything else other than your digital membership, which is either $20, $40, or $100, depending on if you want more spots on the rotator, less spots on the rotator, more benefits, or less benefits. To get started, my friend, right now, just go to elevatemyincome.com, select your level, and get started today. And I promise you, I've been doing this for years, my friend, and helping thousands and thousands of people for years. This system works. It is documented and proven to work. And if you get started, we're going to show you step by step exactly how. Head on over to Elevate My Income right now. And I promise you this, it is much better to be on the inside versus standing there on the outside looking in. I'll see you on the inside in just a few minutes.
Hey guys, Jamie from Utah here, and I am so beyond excited to be part of this truly industry-changing team. Nowhere in marketing will you find a team and leaders who are more dedicated to your success. Get in on what this site has to offer and hold on, because your life is going to change.
It's Ari here from Wisconsin. Within just 7 days of working with them, actually within 3 days of working with them, I was able to get 7 sales, 7 referrals using the exact methods that they teach. Definitely get in on the action, because I promise you, my friend, it is 100% worth it. Get off that fence right now, my friend. I promise you will not regret it.
Janet here, and I wanted to share a little bit about my experience. I have to tell you, this is incredible, and I know incredible. I've been teaching this stuff for over 20 years, and I've never seen anything so simple to follow that works as well as this is working. And the best part of this, my team is plugging in as well. They're generating sales. They're increasing their residual income. Life is great here. Get plugged into the team training and get going. It's that simple.
Brandon Hall here from Virginia. The app makes it so simple to generate leads, turning into weekly commissions.
My name is Abby Pruitt from Hamburg, Arkansas. I was trying so hard to find a way to help my family get some debt relief, and I have done just that. If you are looking for a team that actually has you and your success in mind, then it's the place to be.
Hey, Katie from San Diego, California. Since this training and team keeps it super simple, not only am I getting results, but every team member I plug in here is also able to get started and see results very quickly.
Jason Jordan here. Our team, I can't say enough about the team. The training site is amazing. I was able to come in and within the first 10 or 12 days, made 5 sales, got monetized just like that. Don't hesitate. You need to be here. You need to be on this.